Good morning. We are going for our walk today, and it is windy. We are on the Sapphire Princess, and we're heading to St. Kitts, and we're going to go for our walk today. Uh-oh. That's how windy it is. Deck is closed. Do not enter. All right, so we're going to just change the plan. You could see get some white caps out there. Apparently there's a hurricane in the area. I was talking to a friend of mine last night, and he said there's a hurricane in the area out where we're sailing. Hi. All right. It is windy. That's all I can say. It is windy. It's warm. Definitely warm, but it's uh-oh. You can feel the oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually caught in a wind tunnel. I'm caught in a wind tunnel. Get me out of there. Holy smokes. All over the place. Holy smokes. It's crazy. Good morning. Windy, huh? Oh, man. That was crazy. And I don't know if it's because of the way the glass walls are, but I was literally stuck in a wind tunnel. It was kind of fun. Oh, there's Andrea. You want to go in that wind tunnel?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Here, look, video me. I'm gonna go in. Oh, shoot. Here it comes. Holy smokes. Alright, get me out of the wind tunnel. Let's get walking. That was fun. But yeah, my friend told me it was a hurricane in the area. So we gotta pay attention. I'm assuming when there's a hurricane in the area, the winds get strong and the seas get strong around the hurricane as well. So we'll see. But we'll get our walk in. It's kind of weird. It's not really steamy. It's not steamy hot. I want to go check this out. It's not real steamy hot. I mean, the wind makes it really cool. Oh, we've got a putting green up here. Check out the exhaust on the top of the ship. Doesn't that look like two turbo boosters on the left and the right? Oh man, we're ready to kick it in. Look out. Let's go get some steps in, huh?
I hate to see the back of the ship. I already took a peek.
Oh, you did? What's in here?
That's cool.
Oh, it's an indoor. Indoor. I'm gonna rip the door off. Oh, so we got ping pong, foosball. Oh, they're big into the ping pong here. So this is a totally enclosed pool. The roof's closed. Check it out, huh? Very cool. We're on deck 15. We're on deck 15, right? Conservatory. I was going to say conservationist. Conservatory. Oh shit. Was this the door I opened? Are you coming out? I just didn't want the door to blow wide open. Okay. Let's boogie. Yeah, look at this turbo thing. Doesn't that look like a turbo jet on this thing? He wants to put the pedal to the metal. Sure the hell looks like that. Check this out. Sapphire Princess. That's the nightclub right there. Honey, we're gonna make a point to go to the nightclub one of these nights. Do you want to stay down or go up?
No, maybe go up.
She says go up. We're going up. Thanks for coming along on our walk today. Last night we got on a ship, hung out with somebody we met on the Emerald. Mel. Oh, I'm in the wind tunnel again. I don't know what it is with these walls, but it definitely creates like a wind tunnel.
Oh, I think they help it.
Really?
Oh, yeah. It is right here.
What the? Is this the back of the ship?
Yeah, look over this way.
Oh, we got a. Is that a hot tub
Up
or?
there. Hot tub on this side.
Oh wow. This looks like we found a hidden gem. Look at this. We got a pool, another pool down there. Beautiful views. I like how they got the bar around the deck above the pool right there. And they've got this hot tub. And they got some laying out over here. Nice. I love the back of the ship, man. I think we need to go up. All right, we're gonna go up. Yeah, we're deck 16. I thought we were deck 15, but we're deck 16, the sports deck. One more shuffleboard. All right, let's go up. Oh, I think we're going up. So we got to go up to go down, then go back up. Oh, look at this view. This is a pretty cool view. I'll bet you at night this is real cool with the lights right there, the light bulbs.
Yeah. You should definitely take a photo here.
All right, let's keep going. All right, let's keep going. Nice little basketball court up here. Maybe we should play some basketball, Andrew. I got basketball and pickleball court up here. We're high. We're high up here. If you look. Oh yeah, we're high for sure. Right there's the turbo booster. You get caught in this wind and blow you right off the ship. I told you Johnny said there was a hurricane in the area, right? What?
You can go down the stairs in the back there. See that little area?
Oh, there's
people down there.
Really? There are people down there.
Yeah.
We should go check that out, huh?
Like that's even cool.
You get these older ships, these older, smaller ships. They have all kinds of neat little things, you know? Oh, man. All right, let's head back down. Keep walking. You want to see where this takes us? Oh, Jesus. There's a party in here. Oh, there's a party in here. Excuse me. You're good. Oh, this is the nightclub. They had a little get together. It's probably something they had planned ahead of time, like a Facebook group. Very cool. You ready?
So it's $21.
I think that was a Facebook group getting together. Facebook group. You get on all these cruise ships, you can go on Facebook. If you're going on a cruise ship, going in, you are on Facebook. Just search your sailing, and usually you'll find somebody who created a group page. And just get to meet people. Easier way to meet people. Well, let me tell you something. It's not hard meeting people on a cruise ship. It's real easy. Everybody's friendly. Everybody has the same interest. Just have a good time. Look at this pool. So this pool's got this step up, step up, step up, step up, and then boom. That is cool. And if you don't want to be in a pool, you just want to sit out here and look out the back. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so this stairway here only goes down to like a smaller little deck. So you have a smaller little deck, like a little private area where you have your own deck and you're looking out the back of the ship. Beautiful. And there we were up there. So here's the bottom pool. You go all the way up there and that's where we were. All right, let's get walking. Where to? This got to be the kids. This got to be the kids area.
Yeah.
All right, which way?
Ah.
Yeah. Let's go. I'll follow you. Geez, it's hot over here.
Oh, it's because it's not as breezy.
Whew. Yeah, so we met a friend, Mel, and sat and talked to her for a couple hours, got to the room, and then basically crashed. Didn't go out, didn't go to the casino, didn't go get anything to eat. I'm just exhausted. I'm telling you, traveling takes a lot out of you. It's kind of not really a vacation for us. It's more like a lifestyle, right? Just wanted to check this out. I love that. Sapphire Princess. Yeah, I didn't wear my mic today. Oh, check this out. All right, here, hold this. Get a video of me. Hold on.
Just be careful when you pull it up.
No kidding.
Very nice. Very nice.
All right, get that in there. We need that in a safe place. Hopefully we never have to use it. Only use it for pictures. That would be amazing, right? Oh, starting to get the wind again. We're heading to the windy zone. Oh, here we are. We did one complete go around. We did one complete go around, and this is where I say, ciao for now.
We'll see